This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity and my assistant Aiden today. Today we are going to try to figure out how to remove the stock exhaust, which I think I saw where I can actually reach it through the fairing. This whole time I've been trying to take the fairing off, so I'm going to try to see if I can remove the exhaust without actually having to remove the whole fairing. And here's the exhaust. I'm pretty sure that's not as exciting as you wanted it to be, but we're gonna go ahead and try to take the stock exhaust off, and then I'll give you a tour of the new one. So let's go ahead and take care of that really quick. Looks like you can get it from this side. So someone either designed something right or got it accidentally right, but look, I can reach it. And there's the other one.
Is this a good spot for it to be?
There's a little 8mm in the middle of the pipe holding it just behind this fairing right here. And we have to remove this one. What's sad is I have to put all these screws back into the fairings because I thought I had to take it all apart, and I didn't. And then at the top, right here, oops, there's a 13mm bolt here. Okay, here's the stock exhaust. Catalytic converter. But here was my problem. I loosened it and then I tried to twist it, and obviously it wasn't going to come out because it would bind up the cable. Then I realized just at the top of this there's this connector that you can connect and pull. You pull it, there's another connector on the top, and you pull it out to the side, and then it releases this one right here. So, yeah. Anyways, note to self, or note to anyone else who's doing this first, disconnect the O2 sensor first before trying to remove all the bolts and everything, because once I loosened the bolts, everything fell down lower, and it was inconvenient to try to reach these, and there was a little bit too much tension on this. So, let's go ahead and take a look at the new exhaust. Alright, here's the new exhaust. Ta-da! Just kidding. Ta-da! There it is. It's a smaller, shorter style exhaust than I was imagining. If you look at it here, there's your sections, mandrel bent, tapered all the way to the end, right here. There's your O2 sensor thing. It is KP Moto Club, if you can see that. I know the reflection isn't that great. There you go. Oh, and here's the mounting hardware and springs. So let's go ahead and try to put this on real quick and see what it looks like and get a first sound out of this, because the original exhaust was very quiet and it was very tinny. So let's see what we can get out of this. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, well, here is the finished product for the exhaust. There you go. You You can kind of see it coming through the bottom, up here, into this canister. It's a shorty exhaust, low side. And there's the KP Moto Club logo. Connects to the stock rear set. And it has two silencers. There was one on the inside. I removed that one, and then I left this one here. You can see. So we're gonna do two tests really fast. We're going to try it with that rear silencer piece, and then we're gonna try it again without the rear silencer and see which one sounds better. Let's go ahead and try that. Without the silencer. With the silencer. Alright, let's take the silencer off the back side. This is with the silencer removed. Well, I don't know about you, but my mind was made up the moment I took the silencer off and ran it without the silencer. So it has no silencers. It's just a tube, echo tube exhaust pipe. But I figured it would be that way because that's the same way that I run my, the KP Mini is no filter. I mean, no silencer all the way around. So it's pretty loud, but that's what I want. Loud pipes save lives, I guess. But anyways, it wasn't good being that silent either. Like, it was like stealth mode from Knight Rider. So, there you go. Make your choice. Leave me a comment below which you think would be better, with or without the silencer, because right now I'm going to be running without the silencer. Let me know what you think about the exhaust. If you have any questions or anything, leave a comment below. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.